Hi guys, it's me again, Lance Vlog. For today's episode of my vlog guys, I will be cooking a tinolang bangus, which is a Filipino recipe, and I just copied from my mother. So to start with guys, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients on how to prepare this kind of recipe, okay? So this kind of recipe guys are being made with all this kind of ingredients. So I have here one whole cleaned fish, or which is called the bangus in the Philippines, and I have here 1 cup of marunggay leaves. I don't know the English, and I have here 2 pieces of sayote, 1 tub of ginger, half of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 3 pieces chili pepper, and 1 bunch of grass lemon. And of course we're gonna need to use this also black ground pepper, which is 1 tablespoon. And soon we're gonna need to use 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Okay, so stay tuned guys while I'm doing the preparation. So to start it, we just have to marinate this fish in order to remove the smell, or we just have to marinate in just a couple of minutes, like 5 minutes. Okay, then after that we just have to drain it again. So we are done. Next up, we have to cut the sayote into spirals. So in a pan, we put an oil and let's wait to heat. Okay, just a small amount of oil. I think the oil is already hot, so we just have to saute all the ingredients. First, we have to put the garlic. Mix. Next is the ginger and the onion as well. Let's wait until everything becomes brown. I think it is ready. Now we're gonna place the fish. Then let's just put the lemongrass at the bottom of the pan. Then we have to add 800 ml of water. We have to cover it. Let's just wait. The fish will cook from. It will take 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes is done, so we're gonna add all the ingredients like the chili, the sayote. Hirap naman ito eh. And 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And crushed garlic. Or I mean bell pepper. We just have to mix it up. Let's cover it and wait until 5 minutes. Let's just check if it is cooked. Matigas yung tissue, so we should add more 3 minutes. Let's check again. So pwede na yung sayote, then we gonna add the leaves of the malunggay. I already tested and the salt is exactly. Then let's just wait for another 3 minutes in order to cook the leaves. Let's check if everything is cooked. Wow, everything is ready. Now we have to set aside and serve it.
Few moments later.
Serve na natin siya, guys. Ay, naku, nakakaloka ito. So, ayan na yung mga gulay niya, guys, na pagkasarap-sarap. And the chili as well. So, ayan na siya, guys. Ang finished product. If you could imagine, or is it your first time to hear a tinolang bangus? I bet so, guys. So, yan na yung finished product, guys, na pagkalamig-lamig.